Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 mini gaming PC. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Histao Gamer Computer. Specifications. Processor model, Intel Core i9-9880H. Memory capacity, 32 GB. Hard drive capacity, 1 TB. Model number, F7. Processor main frequency, 2.6 GHz up to 4.5 GHz. DC in, 19 volts/150 watts. Code name, 9th generation Coffee Lake. Display, 1 HDMI, 1 DP. The item number 2 is Sakur Intel Core i9-9880H. Specifications. Brand name, Sakur. Processor model, i9-9880H. Hard drive capacity, 256 GB. Model number, i9-9880H. Processor main frequency, 2.3 GHz to 4.8 GHz. Processor brand, Intel. Processor, i9-9880H. Storage, 2M2 NGFF/NVMe. USB, 6 USB 3.0, 1 Type-C. Case material, aluminum alloy. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Mini PC i7-8809G. Specifications. Brand name, Jusaka. Processor model, i7-8809G. Use, multimedia. Memory capacity, 16 GB. Hard drive capacity, 256 GB. Type, mini desktop. Origin, CN origin. Model number, DK08. Processor main frequency, 4.2 GHz. Processor brand, Intel. Graphics card type, integrated card. Type, mini PC. Color, black. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.